get you a cuppa, eh?
I'm sorry for your loss.
Who do you reckon did it? Killed that bloke?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Drive through Paris in a sports car.
Yes, with the top down.
Okay, so flashing your titties?
No, the car's top, not mine.
How are we going to do that?
Yeah, well, you said whatever I wanted.
Yeah. I could push you around the prison in like a laundry trolley.
Oh, wow, the worst bucket list
No,
ever.
shut up. It's a good bucket list. It's a great bucket list.
How you going, love?
Learn to tango.
Yes, that's the tango. That's a dance, love, and I've always wanted to learn it because apparently it's very sensual.
I could teach you to bum dance.
Booms, I don't want to know how to bum dance, love.
Yes,
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Like
Like
this.
this.
You've tried.
No, you just do it like this.
Boomer. Yes, oh, that's lovely. Boomer, kick shot!
Jenkins! Ask out of Birdsworth's face. Proctor, finish up. Governor wants to see you.
And again!
You bring Proctor?
Yeah, just wanted a quick word. How's Linda? Applying for deputy. It's hilarious. I know you've got to be seen to follow protocol, but I'll be your 2IC, right?
Can you show Proctor in, please?
Yeah. Proctor?
Take a seat.
Where's the governor?
Miss Bennett's on reduced duties until maternity leave. I'm acting governor.
Right, congratulations. You wanted to see me because?
I want to know how the ice is coming in, Kaz.
Now you need me. Hardly spoken to me in 3 months.
I'm sorry for breaking off our arrangement. But I did that because...
You made a new arrangement with another prisoner.
I did that because I wanted to protect you, Kaz. But I made a mistake. I got it wrong. And I'm sorry. Look, you know how important it is for the governor and the top dog to support each other.
You want to work together again.
You make a great team, Kaz.
Hey, right? You fucking listening to me? Don't fucking smile.
You heard her. What do you think this is, a fucking charity? You don't get shit.
Take him down, you bitch. Ah!
Piss off.
Ah!
You too, you heard me, just a fucking pig.
Hey, mate. Oh.
You bringing ice in?
No.
You gave Kylie Webb the crank she went psycho on.
I didn't.
Don't bullshit me.
I don't deal in meth, Kaz. I swear. Sketchpads make for shit clients.
If you're lying to me, Vicky, I'm gonna make you fly, just like I made Sonia fly. You got that?
Hey, guys.
Oi, any of yous know how to tango? What? What are you talking about? Hey, what about yous lot? Any of yous know how to tango? No? Yeah. Does anyone know how to fucking tango? Hey, Lucy, how's about the nut bush?
No.
Pole dancing? There's plenty of these slags know how to do that, eh?
Booms, don't worry about it, love.
No, I will worry. All right, I will worry. Oi! Do you know how to tango?
Lizzie? You okay?
That's the second dead bird I've seen this week.
Hey, Ruby, what's Rita said to you?
About what?
What does she reckon Mari's got something to do with Ray's death?
Oh, I think she's just grieving, you know?
Bloody awful, isn't it? Poor love.
Oh, gross. Feels like all its bones are busted.
Oh, I got dropped out of a drone, you butterhead. What do you expect?
You're a sick fucking genius.
Fuck is this? Looks like meth to me.
Kaz, shut up!
You lied to me, Vicky. You did give Kylie the gear.
I didn't.
You're still lying.
I'm dealing ice, okay, but I didn't sell any ice to that junkie.
Who did you sell it to? Who'd you sell it to?
Mari, I sold an 8-ball to Mari.
Hey, I need you to fix me up with some gear.
Piss off.
Come on, I just need another bundle.
I got no bloody gear.
Just a teenth then.
And get steam pressed by Kaz.
I thought you said you didn't need it. But I don't, I just need to get over this hump, that's all. Fucking Greek next door give me jack shit. Kaz got to her.
Well, can't you get something in?
Yeah, from where?
I hate seeing you like this.
Well, fucking help me.
How?
Well, I know you got some of the girls on your call list.
Yeah, to call. As friends.
Come on, just this one time, please, Ellie.
Fuck that. Do it yourself.
Fucking how? I got no one on the outside. Right? I got nothing. All right? They've all just fucking abandoned me. All right? No one gives a shit about me anymore, or Danny. Please, Ellie. Sweetheart, just one time, that's it.
You're putting heroin in front of me. Knowing my history. Are you seriously asking me to do this?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit, I'm sorry. I should never ask you to do that. I'm sorry. Allie, I am so sorry, Allie. It's so wrong. I'm not thinking straight.
Look. Okay, I'll do it. Just this one time, okay? That's it. Never again. You gotta sort this shit out, Mari.
I will. Hey.
Whatever Rita and Kaz are up to, it's over.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Rudy.
Hurry up, Novak. Got a visitor.
How was your visit?
You still feel something. Tell me I'm wrong.
Allie, you're with Mari.
Yeah, because you dumped me.
Because you dogged on your best friend. I couldn't trust you.
Miss you.
You just want to be with someone. And if it's not me, then it's Mari. If it's not Mari, then it's someone else. And whoever that someone else is, you'll find a way to sabotage that too.
Yeah, you're right. No, I'm the problem, not you. Not Mari. Because I'm weak.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
No, I am. I'm fucking useless. You don't trust me, Mari. Mari thinks I'm worth less than...
Less than what?
Doesn't matter.
Allie. Allie.
Please, I need it.
But it's not yours.
It's for Mari.
Then why have you got your fucking nose in one? Where did you get this shit? No, Mama.
You shut off her supply with Costa. I had no choice.
You have a choice.
For fuck's sake, Kaz, it was just one time.
No, that's how it starts, Ellie. That's how she sucks you in, just like she sucked you in last time.
Yes, because this is how Mari binds you to her. It's what she does.
Why do you care?
It is what she does.
You slapped my fucking face! You cut me off. You gave me no option. You gave me nowhere to go. You did this to me.
Of the one I love, hoping vindication is soon to come. I follow my heart, I don't get a choice, but I've lost everything I own. Chasing something beautiful. Chasing something beautiful.